I can. Sit down with me.
I can't.
Why?
You see, I can only sit this way. I can't bend my knees. You see, the only made to move can is the BTS series. That's so not fair.
Aw, that's too bad. Well, I can't bend my arms too. I can only sit nicely but not to dance with my arms. Maybe it's because I'm a Disney princess series, so they think princess just need to sit but not made to move.
Oh, that's not fair.
Nuh-uh.
I think we should make a protest. I'm not good with it. Why they make it special to the BTS series but not me? Why BTS? Why?
Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another IKEA stuff. It's DIY Barbie IKEA Stockholm leather sofa. Enjoy! First, let's make this very simple pattern. Then, make these cardboard pieces. And this is the other cardboard pieces. Let's hot glue them together. Then let's remeasure this distance. This is my number. How about yours? Then let's use the number to make these felt pieces and put them on the cardboard. This will be the arm part. And this is it. If you like this color, I'm going to disappoint you because it's not going to be the color of the sofa, because we're going to make a leather sofa, remember? And choose the thinnest type. Oh, I think we have to change the background color. There we go. Let's continue. Try to pull it tightly. Now, it looks easy, but it's not going to be easy if you're using a thick type of fabric. Then let's continue to other cardboard piece. This is going to be the back side of the sofa. Pull it tight while doing this. Glue it to the back of the sofa, like this. And don't worry about this ugly joint. We're going to fix it later. And then let's continue to the front side of the sofa using the very first main pattern. Try to glue it as tight as you can. And glue it to the front side of the sofa, like this. Yes, you're going to see messy glue here and there. We're going to cover it later. Let's continue to the seats part. Remeasure it. This is my number. Yours might be different. So, this is the seat size I need. Split it into 2 and this is the size. And these are the cardboards in previous size. Look, it fits. Don't make it too tight. And we will need these. Two seat pads almost done. Let's try it. Let's continue to the back side of the sofa. This is the size. Make it exactly like the seat pads. Then let's continue to the arm pads. We're going to make it a little thinner than the other part. All the pads are done, and let's continue to cover them with the fabric. Let's start with the seat pad. Just follow what I'm doing. Now, it's gonna be a little tighter than before. That's why you need to measure it perfectly. Okay, let's continue to these 3 parts. Just do exactly the same as the seat pads. It's just we need to add some more covering to the back. So for these arm pads, it's gonna be a little different because this is going to be the front side. So this is how I cover it. Just follow the steps. First, you have to cut the fabric into this size. And divide it into 3 like this. And this is how I glue it. this is it. Do exactly the same to the other side, like this. And then this is how I'm going to cover the thin side. Okay, almost done but not. Let's continue to the legs. Make these out of popsicle sticks. If you'd like to have a metal look legs, use this. Make 4 of it. 2 are the mirror of the others, because this short side is the front side. Now it's going to be a strong leg structure. Because of the length, it's not gonna break easily. Okay, let's put them all back together. And you can stop right here if you're already happy with it. Or you can continue if you still hate to see the messy glue all over the place, just like I do. I'm using this. You can use something like this that might look like a leather cord or simple rope like this. So I'm gonna use it to cover this joint like this or like this. It's up to you. But what I hate about rope is it breaks when you cut it, so I'm gonna use this one. And also I'm going to use pointy gun because the cord is so small. If you put the glue all over the place and messy, it's not gonna be prettier, but even uglier than before. We want it to be a solution. Okay, so this is it. I hope it looks better than before. What do you think? And continue to the other part. Okay, this is it. We're done. Let's put them all back together. Voila! How do you like it? Hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave your comment down below, and see you in my other video. Bye.